How to fix the Play Store not working. So if your Google Play Store isn't working, this guide will help. So first of all, you need to go ahead, open your phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now from this page, you need to simply search for Play Store. Once you find the Google Play Store, you need to scroll down, tap on storage, and then click on clear cache. Also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. After that, come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on uninstall updates, and this will replace the current version with the factory version, removing all the data. Tap on confirm and reinstall. Hopefully, one of the solutions will be able to solve your problem. If not, you can restart your entire device. Hold down the power button. You may also need to hold down the volume button and then tap on restart. Your phone will restart and hopefully the problem will be solved. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.